I wanted to share with you how I'm making my little brew. So what I've done is I've used stuff that I can get here locally and free really. So first of all we have nettles, like you've got to be really careful what you touch because otherwise they'll sting. And also mint, this is Corsica mint. So you get good handful without, you know, hurting yourself. Nettles, better using some string and wrapping it round and pulling so you don't have to touch them, or some really thick like leather gloves. And then Corsica mint, you get quite a good handful of that. Throw them all into the pot. Here we get oranges, so we're gonna have 2 oranges. We're gonna have 2 tangerines or clementines or whatever you call them, satsumas, 1 lemon, and then you dive into your store cupboard and we're going to use half of a bulb of garlic. That's just 1 clove. Just throwing it together. Oh, did I say an apple? Cinnamon, just 1 stick. 1 stick is perfectly well. Cloves, Portugal, cravino, something like that. Ginger, always good out of the store cupboard. Of course, CBD, what everyone should have in the store cupboard. And then any decent fruit juice. Red fruits is the best. Really high in vitamin C. Really good to prevent things like urine infections and things. So frutos familiaris in Portugal. And things that have got like cranberries in and berries, like lots of berries. And then we pop that all into the pan, so I'm going to do that now. As you can see, I have not took skin off anything, I've not took peels off. All I've done, I've took the bit off the garlic, and so it's just the bulbs in that. I've not chopped them up. I haven't took the leaves off the stalks or anything. I've just thrown everything into the pan. There is so much goodness in skin that's not very nice when you eat it, but it is very nice when you drink it. It's the stuff that you get in all your essential oils and stuff, so everything's in there. So I'm just going to add the other herbs now. What I've done is I've put in all the juice and then topped it up with water. So in there is about 1 tablespoon of ginger powder and 6 cloves. Like I said, half a bulb of garlic and 1 cinnamon stick. So it's now on the stove and the stove's boiling. Well, not boiling yet, but stove's going to bring it up to the boil and then drop it down to simmer, and then have a nice drink of very, very, very full of goodness and healthy stuff that some people call a witch's brew. It's basically nature's way, Pachamama's way of keeping us healthy and keeping illness at bay.